Hey, baby. Come on.
Hello.
You guys are styling. Wait, but who's filming this? Every once in a while she dunks her head in. No big deal. Did she do that in the bathroom?
It's too shallow for that.
Yeah, she dunks her head in here every once in a while.
Does she not like it?
She doesn't mind. Just don't want her swallowing a bunch of water. She's cool. She really is like quite natural in the water. I think she'll be a good swimmer.
Well, if she's anything like her dad, she will be.
Yeah. Born to be
Fish. A fish in a previous life. Well, I guess we all were, right? That's what they say.
That's what they say.
Kick, 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 baby. Hi. Hi, Ava. Good job. First swimming lessons.